Hi my friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Legacy Stacker, and today I'm going to perform an unboxing of a package I just received, so enjoy. And as we begin with this unboxing today, let me know, have you been stacking silver and gold? What have you been stacking lately? Let me know down in the comments. Come for the coins and stay for the unboxing. But first, to the computer.
Now, here at the SD Bullion website, today is Monday, January 15th, 2024. The silver spot price is $23.33. The gold spot price is $2,057, which gives us a gold to silver ratio of 88-1.
Hi my friends. As you can tell, I've made a decision to keep my identity anonymous on this channel for security reasons. Please feel free to participate in my Million Subscribers Challenge by clicking on the subscribe button below. Do you really want to know who I am? If so, please click on the subscribe button below, and when I reach 1 million subscribers, I will move from behind the camera to in front of the camera. That's my challenge to you. Subscribing to my channel won't cost a thing, and most of all, thank you.
Here's the disclaimer.
And now it's time for Viewer Mail. Today I received a letter from Spokane Silver Stacker. He sent me some beautiful channel stickers. They all reference John 3:16 from the Bible, which reads, "For God so loved the world, that he gave his only begotten Son, and whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life." I believe we can all use some scripture right now. And his note reads, Legacy Stacker, a little late but wanted to get you my new sticker design. Hope you have a great holiday season. Signed, God bless, Spokane Silver Stacker. And of course, that's a 1 gram silver bar there. Very nice. I believe it's the only 1 gram silver bar that I own. So that's very special. Spokane Silver Stacker reviews graded coins and channel rounds on his channel. Spokane Silver Stacker, thank you very much. I'll put your channel stickers and the 1 gram silver bar along with your note into my Legacy Stacker Forever collection. I'll also leave a link to Spokane Silver Stacker's channel down in the description below. If you would like to send me a letter, a sticker, or even silver or gold, my address is right here, and of course, in the description down below. Anything I receive, I will review on the channel, as these items will be my most precious possessions. And I can promise you, anything I receive, I will never sell. They will remain in my Legacy Stacker Forever collection. Hi, my friends, Legacy Stacker here. I am happy to announce that I am now eligible and therefore have set up memberships to help support my channel. As always, one thing I can promise you is that every dollar I receive from the channel, I will reinvest back into the channel. There are 3 tiers based on the level of support you would like to provide to my channel. All you have to do is click on the Join button down below right next to my Legacy Stacker channel icon. Then, in this window, select the level of membership you would like to choose and follow the prompts from there. There's a membership level as a copper stacker, a membership level as a silver stacker, and a membership level for my gold stackers. Every month, I'll create at least 1 video specifically for the members of my channel. If you would like to help support my channel, please become a copper stacker, silver stacker, or gold stacker today. And thank you for your continued support. A special thank you to all of my loyal members, without whom this channel would not be possible. Thank you, my friends. I truly appreciate your support. And always remember, my friends, silver and gold, it's wealth you can hold in your hands.